Right, y'all? So I'm on my way to Macy's. I had some Star money that I needed to cash in, so I'm on my way there. And I believe that they have a flower show going on. So yeah, I'm gonna walk y'all through that, and then afterwards I'll show y'all what I get with my Star money. Okay, I'll BRB. Right, you see how they got the flowers in the front. We gonna go in there and see how it is. I don't know if the show is it the flower show started, if it's today or but it's coming or it might be going on. But let's go find out. Right, sorry y'all. I just wanted to show you real quick. I feel like the best time to come is probably late. I'm in here at rush hour, y'all, so and it's real flowers, as you can see. Right, so they just got like fresh flowers everywhere. It started April 27th, so. But let me go into the section where I'm gonna get my perfume. Right, hey guys, I hope you can hear me. I tried to put my volume up because I feel like when I record, it's not as loud as I want it to be. But we're gonna do this quick unboxing. In the video, I show you how I went to the Macy's flower show. It started on the 27th of April, and I don't know when it runs to, but I'll put the information below just in case you guys want to go. But I ended up going and spending my so mommy in my hair, my Star money with YSL. Let's see what I got. Let's see. Let's see. So I went for some perfumes. Well, for some perfume. Alright, this box is nice. Look at the box. Okay. Right, let me see if I can hook this thing to my braid. Alright. We in the building. We in the building. Alright. So I gotta hold the mic. This is what I got. It looks yummy. So I got this set. I never tried this, but it smells really good. Let me see. I don't know the name. It's Mon Paris Yves Saint Laurent. Right? I hope I'm saying it right. But I know that for me, if somebody say, "Oh, what's the name of that? It smell good." That's the name. But it's not even sprayed and I can smell it. But this is what comes in the gift set box. Right? So you get a travel size. That's the big bottle. And then you get a lotion. So yeah, it smells really good. It smells so good. Let me take the bottle out so y'all can see it. The bottle's pretty. It smells so good, y'all. It's so sweet. I love sweet stuff. Now, I'm not that perfume person that can think, oh, I smell notes of raspberry and pomegranates. I don't know. It just smells sweet. But I think it should tell you, right? It should tell you what it is. Let me see. It should give you like a description, right? Of what it smells like. Probably not. But it smells good. So yeah. And the girl who I purchased from, she gave me some samples and she threw me in a mascara. She was sweet. I was like, oh my goodness, that's so nice. So this is the mascara right here. Let me open it. I like mascara. I use mascara every day. Alright, this is cute. Lash. Don't mind my nails, y'all. I need to my nails done. Right, can y'all see it? Is it too right? That's how y'all be having to do it. Lash Clash. Okay. Ooh. 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 This is nice. I mean, I got mascara on already, so I gotta try this one. You know what I mean? But that was nice of her. I appreciate that. And she gave me Libre. Libre smells good. If y'all never tried this, it smells really good, actually. I got it, I think, 1 year for my birthday. The Mon Paris is the one that I just showed y'all. That one smells really good. And then it's the Libre Flowers and Flames. I don't think I ever smelled that one. My nose is a little stuffy right now, but oh, this smells sweet. Oh, I think they like me. Right? Thank you, y'all, for doing my unboxing with me from with Yves Saint Laurent. This is definitely, I'm gonna be smelling like shmoney, cause that's what it's giving. It's giving. You smell like a little bit of change, my girl. All right. Anyway, I was trying to put it back in the box. But yes, make sure you thumbs this video up, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna keep coming with all my videos, whether you like it or not. You don't have a choice but to watch it. Kirby's harness is on.